Howdy folks, it's Handsome. Today, we have the first Fujifilm. Fuji, yeah. Dun dun dun. Before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy some super thanks. This right here is going to be interesting. This is either gonna go good or bad. And either way, I got to post it because I do not have any Fujifilm on my channel. I actually just recently spoke to them at a pro convention. They said they would like to do some stuff with me. We'll see. So this is the XE3. Don't know really anything about it. Don't really care. But we have an issue with the camera. Battery, please. Thank you, Billy. Now this camera specifically has an LCD issue. Will you turn it on? Okay. We don't see any cracks or anything like that. Let's go. Gotcha. Looks like condensation, haze. Hopefully I might find me some haze. It ain't the sensor. The sensor's cool. Sensor's good. LCD, boy. Got some condensation, or it needs some lotion. It look pretty ashy, huh? Ooh, listen to that. Let's go ahead and, no. We have to be able to test the camera. I don't think I have a charged Fuji battery. Well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I am actually not looking forward to taking this camera apart. Don't really like taking Fujis apart. Don't know much about them. And they put secret screws places. They put flex cables, and it's probably why they do not supply parts and stuff. Yeah, they're one of those companies. Let's go ahead and knock this tools of the day out. Coming in hot is Spud. He's been a real help lately, you know. He's been getting in crevices, under crannies. I'm fired. Got the cross point screwdrivers. Ain't seen a video, hit the link. Got your 1.5, 2.0. This is actually a brand new one. I broke one after a year and a half. That's actually a pretty good achievement. Got your straight tweezers, curved tweezers. Let's get in this thing. See some guts. As you first look at the camera, they're kind of like Leica. You don't see any screws anywhere. I guarantee behind some leatherette somewhere, you're gonna have some screws. Bottom plate has to come out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going in where no tech has been. Oh man, let me go up and get up in this. So I ordered off of eBay, some Chinese seller. Let's look at this screen. I haven't even looked at the screen. Oh man, this is gonna be pretty risky. Just saying. This is gonna go good. We gotta stay positive. We got blue Loctite on the screws. You know, I think this is gonna go pretty smoothly. We're already seeing different size screws, so this is this will be fun. This will be fun. That's what I told myself. Definitely didn't cut my nails. All right, so Spud, I need you in the game. I don't even know where Spud came from. Okay. Hopefully this leatherette doesn't stretch out, because it feels like it's stretching out. That's the main reason I'm saying that. Oh Lord, don't rip it. This is some cheap leatherette, I can tell you that. This ain't no Leica. This ain't no Leica, boy. I'm just lifting up to see if there's screws. Oh, look at there, Billy. Another screw. We're just gonna take this off, okay? Alright. This one's coming off. Still want to see what's under here. What are you hiding from me, Jenny? Jenny? What are you hiding from me? Oh, look. Boom. Screw. Camera tech intuition. That's what we call that right there. Know what I'm talking about? For real. Y'all think there's one here? Can I go 2 for 2? Oh, yes! I swear I have not taken apart this camera. I honestly don't touch Fujis. I just was able to find this part and I wanted to. Oh, Lord. Have mercy on my soul. We're going to put them back because I can and I will. Alright, we got that off. And there's no screws, so let's finish this side. Let's scoot you over a little bit. We got a lot of room. Just saying. They do use Loctite, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is different. Very different. Okay. Man, look at these flex cables. You see these a lot in camcorders, old camcorders, high 8s, mini DVs. Y'all ever open up a VX1000, you'll see those in there. Oh man, that's vintage. I don't know the technical term for them, but they actually are very difficult to get in and out and possibly get corrosion damage using some denatured alcohol. There was some, I think that's condensation, because if there's corrosion on a flex cable, then 9 times out of 10 it's condensation. And how do you get to the, is it just, can I pop it out? Spud. Oh, you just pop it out, apparently. There's 2 screws. Hold your LCD. I just want to keep saying LED. If it's only these 2, looks like there's a screw there. Is there holes? Jeez, Manetti. There's 2 holes right there, guys. Alright. Fired. Alright, another obvious thing, I guess. Saving y'all time on your XE3. That's me, baby. Man, I should have been a rapper. 2 more hidden screws. I guess these are really hidden. The 2 right there aren't that hidden there in my face. It's kind of funny. Booyah! Do people still say that? No? Man. This is sketchy. Y'all make me nervous. April, May 3rd, May 4th is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and I'm going to go live and do a Q&A. So hopefully some of y'all tune in for that. I'd like to go live before work. before I open the shop. I think that's in there. I don't know, I think it could go more, to be honest, because it's a thickie. All right. We're going to, or is she in there right? Gotta go through 2 holes. If this works, this is pretty chill. Okay. I'm special. We knew that. Gotta hold the LED. Gotta hold the LCD with your pinky and your brain. Why do I do that? Come on, give us some juice. Pray to the camera gods. Okay, we got juice. And we have a clear white screen. We love white screens. I need a Fuji lens to make sure that's not like red and stuff. Fuji lens, please. Thanks, Billy. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're solid. And she died. The camera gods shine upon thee. Let's put this thing back together immediately before it falls apart. Well, that was really simple. Wait. That's holding something else in. Y'all gotta be quick with the memory. That may hold something in too. They're going on weight right there. As you can see, that's a little clippy clip right there, but there's no clip on the other one. Metal. Let's put this in right here. Boom. Wait a second. Put your leatherette back. Oh my gosh, this is the moment of truth on this one. Whoops. Nope. All right. That was actually really easy. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment if you want to see more Fuji cameras. Hit that super thanks. I appreciate it. You know, hopefully I get some comments. Let me know if y'all want to see me go live. But y'all know the drill. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all.